Now let's see how to estimate the limit from the graph. Okay, suppose we are interested in finding the limit of the function at x equals to 3. Now, there are two ways to approach, one from the left-hand side, one from the right-hand side. So if I approach the function from the left-hand side, we see that y value getting closer to -1. This is -1. Right, so I will write like this. X approaches 3 from the left-hand side, so I will write negative. Negative means left from the left-hand side. Then the y value that the function's approach is -1. So this is called as one-sided limit or left-sided limit. Okay, now let's do the same from the right-hand side. This is a graph of a function. So when we approach the graph from the right-hand side, we see that the function is approaching the value 2. So we will write like this. X approaches 3 from the right-hand side. That means positive. We are approaching from the right. So as we approach from the right, the value of the function approaches 2. So the left-hand limit was when x tends to -3, the limit was -1. So now let's compare these limits. So when we approach from the left, we get -1. When we approach from the right, we get +2. So they both are not same. So we can say that the limit of the function as x approaches 3 does not exist. Why does not exist? Because left-hand limit and the right-hand limit are different. So limit is basically not the value of the function at that point. Limit is a game of neighborhood. Like what value the function approaches when you approach from the neighborhood. First thing is x approaches -1, negative from the left hand side. So x approaches -1 from the left hand side. So basically this thing. So we're getting value 3. So this would be 3. Next thing is f of 1. F of 1 basically means the value of the function when x is 1. The value of function when x is 1 is this value 1. When x approaches 0. So basically there is no left and right. They're asking what is the limit of the function when x approaches 0. So we'll approach the x 0 both from left and right. So when you approach from the left hand side, we are getting 0 value. When you approach from the right hand side, again we are getting 0 value. So therefore the limit at x tends to 0 will be 0.